Hey everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford F150 Raptor, and we are going to be doing some polishing work, and we're going to be putting a ceramic coating on this. The primary focus is that the truck was swiped, or the truck swiped a set of tree branches while the truck was at Big Bend, and you can see the pillars and along the side of the passenger side where it's damaged, and we're going to clean that up to about probably 90%, if not better, and then ceramic coat it. Check it out.